Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. This red car must be testing out its new snow sliding mode. It seems to work a little too well. This minivan decided that the asphalt was too mainstream. The grass looks much more appealing. An artistic chain reaction collision on the highway. Perhaps they were trying to create a sculpture out of cars. Obscured vision and the ending. It looks like someone braked harder than their future. Debris flying everywhere like in a blockbuster movie. Do you mind if I squeeze in here for a second? Probably not. The white car suddenly appeared like an uninvited guest. This party on the road seems a bit crowded. A perfect example of the domino effect on the highway. The first car must have said, "Follow me." Driving in the snow is already difficult, and then you encounter an impromptu ballet dancer. A sudden accident sends everything flying. Can someone please clean up this battlefield? A surprise kiss between two cars. Maybe they should exchange insurance information instead of phone numbers. When you try to take a shortcut but run into another car with the same idea. This encounter is so awkward. This tree branch decided to join the traffic unexpectedly. Who would have thought that nature could also cause accidents? A gentle collision, but enough to ruin a beautiful day. Maybe they should start the day over.
million tourists every single year. Alongside the Grand Strand, State Park offers ample opportunities for camping.
This intersection must be a stage, and the actors are performing a tragic comedy. Who will win this showdown?
People representing a
And he's like,
A horrific accident on the highway at night. It seems someone forgot to turn on their headlights of awareness.
I have no idea.
he's a
This car has proven that gravity always wins. A spectacular flip on the highway.
Oh my god!
A violent collision at the intersection that horrified everyone. Maybe they should review the traffic laws before hitting the road.
Put this on video. We need to call 911 right now.
A tricky situation handled poorly in the rain. This car must have had a terrible day. A head-on collision that heavily damaged both cars. This is why we should maintain a safe following distance. The airbag deployed like a surprise greeting. Hopefully the girl wasn't too shocked. I swear I didn't see that car. Maybe he should get his glasses checked. At the very least, you should get out of the car and apologize instead of running away. A rear-end collision that brought both to a stop. Maybe they should settle it over a cup of coffee. A collision between two pickup trucks. It seems this road isn't wide enough for both of them.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
A horrific accident at the intersection. Hopefully, everyone is safe.
Oh my god!
In this case, being too quick is not good either. A car driving the wrong way on the highway. This is a nightmare for any driver. Driving in a snowstorm is a real challenge. This car did not pass the test.
Vétérinaire, il y a une multitude de tracts de publicité pour nous instruire comment vacciner notre animal contre la maladie.
The truck wants to go home to its wife and children, but the car won't let it.
Ça, c'est vrai, je l'ai vu. Moi, je suis ma vétérinaire.
A faceplant of a maneuver at the intersection. Another chain reaction collision on the highway. It seems everyone is in a hurry. This pickup truck turned a rainy day into a nightmare.
You f***ing idiots, dude.
A severe collision that heavily damaged both vehicles. This is a reminder of the dangers of distracted driving.
1 second of losing control could lead to a lifetime of regret. You may be right, you may be wrong, but if you lose your temper, both sides lose. Remember, on the road, ego is never worth more than a life. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If this story made you think, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others. Subscribe to the channels for more true stories and the life-changing lessons. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.